Oh, shoot. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and if it's not, welcome back. So today I'll be doing a makeup look, more like a colorful makeup look. I don't think I've really done any colorful makeup tutorial on my channel, so today I decided to do that. To begin, I'll be taking a clean wipe, cleaning up the excess oil that might have accumulated, the dirt, just wiping everything off. So I'm just going to let my face dry. Once that's done, I'll be using my moisturizing cream. Moisturize your face with moisture. Make sure you moisturize your face. I'm taking my moisturizing cream. This is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. And I'm just going to be massaging that into my skin. And my face is breaking out in a way, so I'm also moisturizing beneath my eyes. This is so that the concealer puts little on no crease. So one of the major things you should do that most people actually don't do is like moisturize your skin before starting your makeup, for applying your pile of foundation, concealer and all, because this will help hydrate your skin. So I'll be taking my Stay Matte primer, this makeup primer, and I'll be applying it on my face. And for this, you can either choose to use your hands or your brush to like blend it into your skin. I think I'll be using my brush, just a regular brush, and I'll just be blending it into my skin. Next, I'll be taking this to foundation. This is Ezekiel foundation in the shade 06 Mocha, and this is the Lady V Beauty Pro Matte foundation, and this is in the shade V Java. This is a very dark tone. This is just like my skin tone, and so to get an even blend of my skin, because most times you have to mix foundation to get like a more even skin tone. So I'll be mixing this too, and with this really technical brush I'll be applying this to my skin. You can take as much as you want, whether you want like little coverage or just full coverage, and this seems like enough for me. Carrot Prep and Prime spray, I'll be spraying that. Just going to blend it. Take your time and blend. Always take your time and blend. This is my face with foundation. This is my face with a foundation. The difference is clear. And as you can see, the mixture of the two foundation gave me a more even tone. Like, it's not so different from my mini skin tone. It's blending. So, because if I like applied the Lady V Beauty foundation, I would have looked way darker than I was supposed to, and if I was supposed to apply the Ezekiel, I would have looked lighter than I was supposed to. So mixing both of them just gave me this. Oh shoot, I have to wear my clothes. I forgot. I literally forgot. I was supposed to put on my clothes first because of the neck. My Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. This is Toffee. And also Fun. This is Fun. So I'll be applying Fun to the inner corner of my eyes. I'll be taking Toffee. This using that to highlight the outer region. So when I'm done highlighting my face, I'll be taking my black opacity foundation in the shade Beautiful Bronze. This is what I've been using over the years to contour my face, because it's a very dark shade. I'm just going to be applying that. So now I just want to highlight the sides of my lips. This is because that area is normally like darker than it should be. Next, I'll be contouring the bridge of my nose. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to spray my face again. Well, this is a really technique brush. I know right now it's looking a bit harsh, but just calm down, chill. Small, I'm going to spray. So I'm taking these 2 shades of lipstick, and this will serve as my blush today. Then I'll be taking my S1 setting powder. This is a translucent one, and I'll be using that to set my face. And instead of baking, I'm just like setting it, basically like just pressing it into my skin. So I'm done setting the highlighted part of my face. What I'm going to do next is set the contoured part, that's here, you know. So I'm taking the Beyond Beauty powder palette. I'm taking the shade Chocolate. This is what I'll be using. Let's get into the brows. I am not going to be really concealing, so I'll be taking the LVH pencil and my classic lash glue, and I'll just be using this to brush my hair into place. So I'll be using the pencil to draw tiny strokes. So I'm going to be taking Toffee concealer. So I'm done with the brows, and I like it. It was simple, and it was really simple, and it turned out nice, not bad, because I didn't conceal the top, it's just beneath the brows I concealed. So now we're moving to the eyeshadow. So I'm taking my Ezekiel Second Skin concealer in the shade Honey, and I'm applying that to my crease. I'm taking this palette, it's broken but it's the Tara palette, and I'll be applying my shadows. Okay, so guys, I'm done. I like this eye better because it's the first one I did, so I spotted the mistakes, errors I made, and I was able to correct them in this eye. So next I'll take the aqua liner. This is pastel blue. So once I'm done with this, I'll be applying my mascara to my natural eyelash. So one of my light source pointers, which is making my neck look darker, is actually not dark, just that there's no reflection of light on my neck area. So basically we are done with this look. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly hit the like button,
subscribe to my channel, guys. Share this video, leave a comment, any question whatsoever. I'll be here to respond. And thank you all. See you next time. Bye bye.